There's a very specific kind of exhaustion reserved for the people who pride themselves on being easy to love. You know the type. The anchor. The one who never needs anything. Look at Zane. He holds this glowing, fragile glass teacup, letting the heat burn into his hands. But he won't set it down. He won't ask for a coaster. He won't ask for help to carry it. He is perfectly, completely fine. It is a quiet pride, isn't it? Being the person who takes up the absolute least amount of space in a room. You convince yourself that if you are entirely self-sufficient, if you never bleed on anyone else, you safely earn your place in their lives. Zane balances the delicate glass, feeling the heat sear through his fingers. If he shifts his weight, the tea might spill. If it spills, he causes a mess. And the golden rule of the hyper-independent is to never, ever leave a mess for someone else to clean. So, you swallow the exhaustion. You become the master of filtering your own panic, carefully digesting your stress before it ever reaches the surface, just so the people around you can experience the smoothest, most diluted version of who you are. The ultimate low-maintenance friend. But the secret cost of being low maintenance to the world is that you are quietly waging a high-maintenance war inside your own mind every single day. And then one day, the muscles simply give out. The heat of the glass becomes too much. Zane stares at the glowing rim, realizing that the light inside the cup was meant to warm him, not burn him to ash. The quiet tragedy of shrinking yourself so that others don't have to accommodate you is that eventually they forget you need accommodating at all. They look at your blistered hands and assume that is just how your skin naturally looks. You spent so many years beautifully proving you didn't need to be held that people simply stopped reaching out their arms. You built a flawless fortress to protect them from your storms, and now you are trapped inside it. It is a terrifying thing to imagine finally putting the glass down, to let it clink against the table and admit out loud that your hands are just tired. But there is a quiet comfort in wondering if, perhaps, the people who actually love you wouldn't mind a little spilled water. Even anchors are allowed to feel the weight of the ocean. Wouldn't mind a little spilled water. Even anchors are allowed to feel the weight of the ocean.